Hello, good morning children. You're most welcome. Yes, today is the last for this chapter, just the NPOs, not for profit making organization. My dear children, question number 53. How everything included in this things, preparing the income and expenditure account, calculation of opening fund and computation of subscription. First, we have to read this question from the following information supplied by the accountant of Lions Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. Prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Income and expenditure account and balance sheet we have to prepare. Just the receipt and payment account is given. We have to calculate the subscription during the year. Now just you can see the receipt and payment account begins with the cash balance 10,000, subscription 2019 and 20, 18,000, 2020, 21,500, entrance fee 350, income from entertainment 3,400, sale of old newspaper 150. Investment purchased on 1st October 10,000 at the rate of 8%. Furniture purchased 5,400, salaries paid 4,500, stationery 1,200, electric charges 2,400 and the closing balance of the cash 8,900. That is given. Additional information given, my dear. Just that the club has 400 members, each paying an annual subscription of rupees 50. Subscription still outstanding for 2018-19 are 200. Stock of stationery, this one 31st March 2019 780 and 31st March 2020 800. This one is the opening and closing stock given. 1st April 2019 premises were 16,000. Depreciation on premises and furniture to be charged at the rate of 5% per annum and 10% per annum respectively. Means 5% on premises and 10% on furniture. So we have to prepare the income and expenditure account. Question number 53. This one is the board exam questions that is given for 2018. So my dear children, first we have to prepare the income and expenditure account. Draw the format of income and expenditure account this way. This way, just this one is the debit column and this one is the credit column. Credit column. Okay, now come to the point again. Just the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. Expenditure account. This one is the expenditure. And amount, income, amount, amount. So in first go through the subscription income column. We can write this way: by subscription. By subscription. By subscription. Whatever the amount given, that is 18,000. 18,000. Now in additional information, just we have to go the additional information. The club has 400 members, each paying an annual subscription 50. So the main source of the income, the total income of the club, 400 into 50 equal to 20,000. 20,000. So we can write this way: add outstanding. Add outstanding subscription at the end equal to 2,000. That will be the 20,000, my dear. 20,000. And next, just entrance fee 350. By entrance fee. By entrance fee 3,400. 3,400. And next, sale of newspaper, old newspaper. By sale of old newspaper. By sale of old newspaper. That will be the 150. And one of the things that is given the additional additional information, just the by investment purchased at the rate of 8% per annum, securities on 1/10/2019. So interest will be calculated for 6 months. 10,000 into by interest on investment. By interest on investment. Investment equal to 10,000 into 8/100 into 6/12 is equal to 400. That is the income. Income column has been filled, and now come to the payment. Salary. To salary. Two salaries, 4,500. 4,500. No additional information given regarding the salary. Nothing. To stationery. To stationery consumed. Just we have to calculate this one. Stationery consumed. Just the opening stock that is given in additional information. Opening stock is 780. Just we can write this way: 780. Add purchase given in receipt and payment account 1200 plus 1200 1980 less closing stock, less closing stock, that will be closing stock given 860 my dear, minus 860 0 to 1120, that will be the stationery consumed 1120. And the next thing that is given, depreciation, electric charges 2400, to electric charges, to electric charges, electric charges 2400 to depreciation on furniture and premises, furniture and premises. On furniture that is purchased 5400, so 10% on furniture, that is given in additional information, and 5% on premises. So my dear children, in premises 16,000 by 5 upon 100, so 800, just the 800 for the premises, and on furniture 5% furniture given, furniture 5000, $400, 10% 540, 1340. Now just total this one, total of the credit column, five zero चार 23,950, and that will be the, just you can write over here 23,950, just to surplus is equal to the difference, the excess of income over expenditure, that will be 14,940. 14,940. This one is the income expenditure account, my dear children. Now come to the balance sheet we have to prepare, but now we have to keep in our mind just the capital fund of opening capital fund is not given, that is hidden in the question. So we have to calculate first opening capital fund. Opening capital fund, opening balance sheet, just we can write over here opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet In assets column, cash that is given. In receipt and payment account, you can find this one 10,000. 10,000. Premises you can find. Premises in additional information that is given 16,000. Premises 16,000. Opening assets can be taken into consideration. Remember, and stock of stationery also given 780. Stock of stationery. Opening balance. Stock of stationery. Stationery 780. And then additional information, just the subscription still outstanding for 2018 and 19, means 31st March 2019, just the subscription 200 given. So you can write the outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription 200. Now total this one, that will be the opening capital fund. Capital fund, my dear. Capital fund, just 809 26,980. That will be the answer, I think, given. 26,980. 26,980. That is the capital fund. 26,980. Now come to the point again. Just the balance sheet we have to prepare. Balance sheet, my dear. Balance sheet. In question, the information given in liabilities column, just the capital fund we have to write here. Balance sheet. This one is the liabilities column, and this one assets. Okay. Capital fund. Capital fund calculated 26,980. Add surplus. Add surplus. That will be the whatever surplus calculated over 14,940. 14,940. Clear? And advance subscription given, my dear. 2020 and 21 subscription in advance 500. Advance subscription 500. Rest of the things we have to search out. Entrance fee, income from entertainment, that is included in income expenditure account. So now come this side, nothing given. So total of the liabilities column 0, 8 4 2, 9 18 5. just the answer will be 42,420, that is given. Now come to the assets column. In assets column, cash. My dear, cash in receipt and payment account you can find closing balance of the cash, that is given 8,900. 8,900. And the assets purchased, investment 10,000. Investment 10,000. Then furniture, furniture 5,400. 5,400 furniture. Then stationery, at the end closing stock stationery. Stationery remaining, closing stock stationery given 860. 860. And the depreciation of the furniture, that is given 540. We can minus from furniture 540. So less depreciation in 5,400. Less depreciation 5,400 minus 540. Do the working note. 4,860. 4,860. Just the amount of the furniture in assets column, less depreciation, and premises 16,000. Premises 16,000 less depreciation, 16,000 minus